Hi foodies, it's a quick review time of our first order from FreshKatch.in along with a simple yet flavorful fish roast recipe. Let's get in. We ordered a kg of red snapper from FreshKatch.in, a seafood delivery service that sources fresh seafood from Rameshwaram and delivers across Tamil Nadu with a no preservative guarantee. FreshKatch offers options for clean cut or uncut fish. Here we went with the clean and uncut choice. The package arrived on time and it was securely double layered for freshness. Being from a town that's far from the coast, finding fresh and quality seafood has always been a challenge. That's why I was really excited to come across this website. It's a fantastic option for seafood lovers like me who don't have easy access to the sea. The idea of getting fresh seafood delivered right to my doorstep sounded too good and not to miss it. And that's exactly why I wanted to give it a try and review it. Let's take a first look of how the freshness of this fish is. The fish is fresh if its eyes are clear, bright and slightly bulging. The gills are bright red or pink and moist. The flesh should be very firm and should bounce back when pressed. I love the way the fish has been thoroughly cleaned both inside and out. And most importantly, it has a mild fresh smell, just the way good quality seafood should be. Here we received 8 pieces for 1 kg. Though I expected a large size snapper, this was okay. The fish had some moisture in the pack, so I discarded the water and cleaned it once again. Here we go with the cleaned fish. Let's start prepping up the fish by making 2 to 3 slits on both sides of the fish. I'm using my Kai knife, a must-have kitchen essential, and this is just awesome. Giving the slits to the fish ensures the masala seeps into it so well. This Kai knife is really awesome. It's a 4-piece set and I'll lay the link of this knife set in the description box. Do check it out. Let's start marinating. Mix together a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1½ teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder for the rich red color, salt to taste, a pinch of turmeric, a must for any non-veg dishes for its antibacterial benefits, 1½ teaspoon of regular chili powder for the spice, 1 heap teaspoon of fennel powder. This is a secret ingredient for next level aroma and flavor. A handful of chopped curry leaves. This adds more aroma, and a tablespoon each of rice flour, corn flour and gram flour. This gives a crispy binding for the fish roast. Coat the fish well with this flavor-packed marinade. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. For the best flavors, I'm using Nia Gold Coconut Oil, a double-filtered coconut oil made from high-quality roasted copra, an awesome pick for frying. Heat coconut oil in a cast iron tawa and place the marinated fish. The sizzling sound is music to the ears. Just listen to it. Flip and roast both sides until golden and crispy. The kitchen was filled with an irresistible aroma, making the whole cooking process even more enjoyable. Was the fish from FreshKatch.in worth the buy? Absolutely yes. The freshness, quality and taste was spot on. Would we order again? 100% next time we'll try another seafood variety. Hope you enjoyed this review plus the recipe. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, happy cooking.